Put baking soda into Coca-Cola exactly the way I'm about to show you, and you might never waste money on a certain store product again. I know it sounds strange. I thought it was ridiculous the first time I heard it, but when I tested it myself, the reaction and what came after completely changed the way I clean at home. Let's start step by step. Grab a large bowl and open a fresh bottle of Coca-Cola. Pour about 200 milliliters into the bowl. Don't use the whole bottle yet. We'll need it again in a moment. Watch the bubbles rise and settle. That carbonation is more important than it looks. Now take 1 full tablespoon of baking soda, hold it over the bowl, and pour it in slowly. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now grab your next ingredient, dish detergent. Any brand works. Color doesn't matter. Using the same Coca-Cola bottle as a measuring tool, fill it halfway with dish soap. Then pour that entire amount directly into the bowl. Now take that Coca-Cola bottle again and fill it halfway with clean tap water. Pour the water into the bowl and stir slowly. As you mix, you'll notice the texture thickening slightly. The color deepens and the bubbles become creamier. That transformation is part of the process. Ever since I discovered this combination, I stopped buying a certain expensive product at the store. Why spend more when you can create something this effective at home? The mixture becomes smoother, richer, and evenly blended. The scent shifts slightly. Less soda, more clean and fresh. Keep mixing until you have a uniform, foamy liquid with no visible separation. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now grab a clean plastic container. An empty detergent bottle works perfectly. Place a funnel on top and carefully pour your mixture inside. Seal it tightly and give it one gentle shake. And now, the reveal. Take an old aluminum pan, baking tray, or pot that looks dull, greasy, or almost beyond saving. Apply a small amount of this mixture directly onto the surface. Let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then take a sponge and start scrubbing lightly. Watch closely. The grime begins to loosen almost immediately. Burnt residue lifts. Sticky grease breaks apart. With minimal effort, the metal underneath starts to shine again. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. What you've just created is a powerful homemade aluminum cleaner. The phosphoric acid in the Coca-Cola reacts with baking soda, while the dish detergent breaks down grease. Together, they form a strong yet gentle cleaning solution that restores shine without harsh scrubbing. It works on pots, baking sheets, lids, trays, and other metal cookware. No expensive specialty products. No heavy chemical smell. Just 3 simple ingredients working together in a surprisingly effective way. Try it once and you'll see the difference for yourself. Sometimes the smartest solutions are hiding in plain sight inside your kitchen.